Hey guys, today is fishing part 2. So I'm recording here. Pardon?
You're in Yalding in Kent.
What?
You're in Yalding in Kent.
Okay, so I'm in Yalding, Kent.
Yeah.
We're fishing right now. As you can see, I zoomed out.
What are you
They're
using
throwing
as
some
bait?
mites.
Maggots.
Okay, but I would rather call them mites.
Okay.
To show you all of them running around, I'm just going to zoom in to 3%. That is all of them running around. Disgusting. Well, these are all of them alive at least.
Archie, wait.
Whatever your daddy just threw the rod in the water.
Yeah, he did throw the rod in the water, so he had to get it out. And after he did, I had to hold it. My father's silly.
Your father?
Brother. I'm Kirby. Anyways, guys, bye.